Hey kids, come with me, let's have fun. Hobbies are great for everyone. Colors and pencils in my hand, drawing pictures oh so grand. Step and twirl, jump so high, dancing makes us smile and try. Sing a song with joyful voice, music makes our hearts rejoice. Open books and read along, stories make our minds so strong. Let's do our favorite hobbies, fun and learning, everybody. Let's do our favorite hobbies, fun and learning, everybody. Kick the ball, run with speed, sports give fun and health we need. Plant a seed and watch it grow, gardening teaches all we know. Solve a puzzle, think it through, brain games make us smarter too. Paint with colors, cut and glue, crafting things we love to do. Let's do our favorite hobbies, fun and learning, everybody. Let's do our favorite hobbies, fun and learning, everybody. Mix and stir with care and joy, cooking fun for girl and boy. Popcorn ready, lights go low, watch a movie, enjoy the show. Pack your bag, explore each place, traveling brings a happy face. These hobbies make our day so bright, learning with joy, shining with light.